Okay guys, here today showing you how to replace a door panel on a 2002 Lexus is300. Pretty straightforward job. You'll just need a pick or a really small screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. There's only two screws holding this on. Everything else is just held on by plastic clips. There's one screw that's behind this here door lock grommet here. You just come in here and pry it open, and that'll reveal a Phillips head screw back in the back. Then the other Phillips head screw is directly straight down here in the door pull. For the front door panels, you'll have to remove this here tweeter cover. You just pull it straight off. The back door panels obviously won't have tweeters, so the back door panels are just held on by the same screw and the same screw here, and then you just pretty much pop it off. So we'll just loosen these two screws, one here and the other one's in here. Like so. Then this guy here you need to remove. If you come in right here on top of the door lock and pry it up, it'll come out. Same right here. If you come in right here and pry down, it'll come out like so. And that's how you'll take that off. Obviously you need to use something clean. I'm changing these door panels to black ones, so I'm not too terribly concerned if I get them dirty, but nonetheless, try your best to keep everything clean if you can. So after that, you want to just start at the bottom of the door, pretty much right here under the speaker. You'll feel a little plastic right here. You can pry it away and then just work your way around. And then you'll just, after you get it all loose like this, you pretty much can just lift it straight up off the door. Be careful for the tweeter over here. And then as you pull it back, you look behind it, there'll be various electrical connectors. I can't really show you them in the camera, but there's a few connectors that you just need to disconnect. And then you can go on ahead and remove the door panel. That's it, just these three connectors, and that's all there is to it. So if you have any comments or questions, just ask them in the comment section below. It's a pretty straightforward job, not too difficult to do. Alright, I'll see you guys next time.